Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be doing a very festive holiday full glam look. Full tutorial. I'm going to go from top to bottom. I created this beautiful eye look. Yes, there are diamantes on it. Get into it. We're gonna go through everything from top to bottom, so if you're interested in something like that, please stay tuned. You know, if this is your first time watching Labit, welcome, and if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications so that you never miss an upload. Join the Labit family. I do beauty, that is makeup and skincare, and a little fashion, so if you're interested in that, please subscribe. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year, so I was torn about which one I should get more fancy for. Like, should I do it for Christmas or should I do it for New Year's? But I decided to do it for Christmas. So I was inspired by Brianna Fox and I got some crystals. I've been kind of basic all year, let's be honest. So I was like, okay, as we approach 2021, let me step outside of the box. So I got some crystals. Shout out to Go by Nats. If you guys don't follow Nats, please go over to her channel. I'm gonna link her page in my description box. She is the one who gave me the link to this on Amazon. I'll also have the link to this in my description, of course. It comes with tweezers and like a white outliner. I'm not sure what this is for, but maybe to make like a wing and then you could follow the line. I'm very excited to do this. So we're gonna do a nice glittery eye. I'm gonna be using these liquid shimmers from Pure. I'm not too sure what color I'm gonna use yet, but we shall see as the time goes on. I'm gonna be using the Mented Every Night eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this palette, so let's jump into it. I'm gonna start with this shade called Philly, and I am just going to use that as somewhat of a transition shade. I want to do this look a little different to how I usually do my shadow. I don't know, I guess I'm starting something new, but I kind of don't want to wing it out just yet. I'm just gonna go like right here to right there. Then I'm gonna take Harlem and I'm gonna use this to wing it out. Then I'm gonna go in with Atlanta and deepen my crease up. The pigmentation in this palette is just amazing. Like Mented, y'all all doing themselves. Don't forget you can shop on Mented and use code LABIT for 10% off your purchase. So I'm just going back with Philly to kind of blend out the edges at the top, and I'm gonna go into Miami for the brow bone. Okay, now I need to decide which shimmer shade I'm gonna be using. Am I gonna use Namaste or Queenie? You can use any liquid shimmer. You could even use actual glitter if you're into that, but liquid shimmer is just easier. I'm swatching them on my hand right now to see which I prefer. They're both gorgeous. I also have another shade called Lust. I think Lust is a bit too burnt orange. I think I'm gonna go with Namaste. Sometimes I would like put this directly on my eye because it comes with this applicator. But because I want it to be like really precise, I'm gonna be using this MOTD brush under the colors to place it exactly where I want it. I could have used a base for this as well, but I kind of wanted to look like a topper, so that's why I didn't use any eyeshadow base. I haven't really done glitter like this in such a long time, but because it is the holidays, I decided to do a little something. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Brooklyn, which is the black from this palette, and I'm gonna just deepen up my crease just a little bit. I recently got this liner glue from Kiss, so I have the white one and I have the black one. So I am about to start placing my rhinestones. I'm so excited. I don't know what size I want to use just yet. I feel like I want it to be pretty small, so I'm gonna go with the second smallest. And I have my tweezers. So I saw someone put like the glue on the back of the rhinestone, and then I also saw them like put it on your eyelid first, so I'm gonna try both ways. One down, can you guys even see it? Right there. Y'all, this is so tedious because they're so small. Actually picking them up with the tweezer is like hell. So Brianna Fox, in her video, she actually used one of those like dotting tools. I think I'm gonna get one of those for next time. So I almost forgot that I do my eyes first, so I don't want to take it out too far. Once I'm finished with my face makeup, if I think I need to add any on the side. One more. Yeah, more of these that have fell. I don't know where they are because my desk, I have like a reflector, silver reflector on it, so I can't even see when they drop. So one day I'm gonna find them. Okay, I'm kind of getting the swing of things. So I'm basically just putting them on my hand and then wiping the glue over it like so, and then taking it on the tweezers. Okay, man down, taking it on the tweezer and placing it. Okay, so that's enough rhinestones for now. Let's go on to the face. So I'm gonna go in with Mented Stick Foundation in the shade D10. Highlight, I mix two shades. I mix L30 and T40. And then to contour, I'm using D40. Then I'm just gonna go in with some Sephora Micro Smooth just to bring back that color to my face. Then I'm gonna put my lashes on. I'm gonna use some mascara. Right, so all the jewels are done. It took me a good minute to get all of these on, but they're finally on. I'm loving how it is looking. So let's continue with the rest of their face. I'm taking Yacht Life by Mented. You all already know what it is. Very Mented heavy. You all know I've been like stunning Mented, right? And this is Buried Away from Mented. Highlight, I'm gonna go in with Champagne Pop from Pecan. And for liner, I'm going in with Mented Night Liner. I also use Bombs Away by Mented. This is their conditioning lip balm. Then I'm gonna go in with Brand Nude and top that off with Scent Nudes. And I'm gonna use a little bit of Fenty Beauty Espresso just to deepen up the corners a bit. Okay, so the eyes are done, the base is flawless, and now we're ready to eat. Okay. So this is my full glam holiday look. I hope that this was easy for you guys to follow along with. The diamantes, the crystals, y'all, it's a task. If you want to do it, you just need to commit. It's gonna take you a while. I would suggest getting that dotting tool instead of the tweezers. That made it a bit harder to manipulate, especially the smaller ones. So I think I'm gonna try to get that dotting tool. And we will have a lot more intricate eye looks coming up. More eye stuff though, you can go to my Instagram, follow me at le.beat, and on Facebook under the Beat Inc. That's where I do things more in real time, and I do a lot of eyeshadow over there, whereas I do more base over here. Everything I use will be linked in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and a Merry Christmas to everyone and a happy holiday. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching and have a great night, guys. Bye.